Good afternoon for everybody. So I'm from Missler and we are a software vendor. So I will just explain who is Missler, what is doing Missler first, a company presentation. After, I will focus my presentations just on the business model we have today and what we expect from the cloud, just to look at what kind of new business model we can offer to our reseller. So first, Missler Software is a SMEs, so a French company. Today we are the second largest CAD/CAM software publisher, and we are focused on different, so CAD can be really large. We are really focused on interior design. We have wood applications, we have metalworking, sheet metalworking applications. We are really strong on the machining. That's something quite important for us. And we are really good also on the tooling, like mold industry or die casting or sheet metal industry. And also we develop special machining for the designs. Our main applications we sell today for our customers, the CAD/CAM, and also we have a small part of ERP. We are really specialized for some dedicated solutions, so we develop specific applications for different type of work on the metal industry, and that's our presentations. Some things about our market, we are a worldwide a global player all around the world. That means we have a lot of customers everywhere. That means for us it's around 15,000 customers and 50,000 licenses. It's everywhere in the world. Most of our customers are, that's around 80% SMEs also, not so much big company. The CAD applications where we are really focused on are specialized module like the tooling, like the wood I explained before. And also we can personalize all the module. And this kind of module can be really expensive. It's quite important for the cloud after that. And no, that's our main business. And this business today is really, if we don't have the cloud, each customers, each end users have to buy his own local machine and work on his own local machine. Even they can share the data through networks, but it's an internal networks. So what will be the future with the cloud and what we expect about the business in using the cloud? So in addition of the existing models, that means selling local applications on the workshop directly or the design shop. For the CAD applications, we can expect like SaaS applications. That means software as a services. Everybody can rent if they have a huge amount of works arriving for a short time. It's not necessary to buy a new computers in the design shops and to don't use it after that. So they can rent and use the systems through the cloud. We need also some cloud computing. That means we need, for some applications or some computations, we need a huge power and a big amount of processors also to parallelize all the computations. And after that, we have also, we need data storage somewhere on the cloud, just if we want to share data and retrieve it everywhere in the world on any kind of solutions. That's just for the CAD applications. Oops. Yeah. Oh yes, I forget some things. It's application on demand. That's for us the most important because it's one of the experiments we developed with this project, CloudFlow. Application on demand is something really special for us. We develop nice applications and really, really expensive applications. Few customers can buy these kind of applications, but if we upload it on the cloud and give the access for one shot or one design, 2 design a year for some customers, that cannot buy the full application because the return of invest for these customers are quite difficult to achieve. That's a good solution also for us and to increase our model of business. For the CAM applications, so we need, we can offer solutions like a SAS also. For the 2D and the 3D machining to compute the toolpath of the part, we can use also the cloud computing because it can take a long time just to compute the toolpath. So we can reduce the times to compute this toolpath and to get a result more easily and efficiently through the cloud. And also something great for the machining and the CAM application is to offer a possibility to get new post-processors through the cloud. That means we can get the NC code for any kind of productions, any kind of machines through the cloud, yes, and just to, you know, if the machine is not already in the shops, we can get the subcontractors with new machines we don't have in the workshops. So that means we can also generate NC code just for these new subcontractors. And also data storage, but it's linked to the CAD. And because we have also ERP, and ERP is the first, okay, our customers ask us from few years now to develop an ERP application based on the cloud also, because it's more easy to use through the cloud. So the ERP can use data storage also, and after that, service on SAS also. So for us, the advantage of the cloud is not only developing a new type of business, but okay, we can increase our income with a new type of services. Something great, and Michel speak about that also, is for the maintenance. Maintenance for us means sending a lot of DVDs or things like that. Even we have a website where the people can download the new versions. But on this case, we have to do only one update of the application on the cloud, and everybody is updated and use the same versions at the same time. Something great also for us, we can offer some training video online and documentation online directly through the cloud. That's quite important also for us because we lose less time on the training and the maintenance. And the support also, that can be done through a forum, so each people can speak together just to explain where are the problem and how they solve the problem. That's something also great for software editor. Okay, now it's finished for my business plan, but about CloudFlow, we are opening our first open call. So we are looking now for 7 new applications experiments, routes in computational technology for manufacturing and engineering industries for SMEs. We address workflow along the value chains and across company. We will give some priority on innovative product developments and products such as mechatronics or cyber physical systems. Okay, so that's, if you need more information about this open call, we are open to discuss with you after this meeting or during the break. The publication date will be, we start at the 30th of this month, and the closing date of the call is 30 on September. So each application's experiments will receive something like around 100 euro contribution average. And you can get more info directly on our website for the CloudFlow project. So thank you for your attention.